Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock all 13 cooking recipes in Heartopia. So, first you need to reach cooking hobby level 11, like this. Because in here, all 13 recipes become available. And then to level up to level 11, you will need a premium hobby ticket like this. And if you don't know how to get one, just check the tutorial link in the description to watch the tutorial. And once you have unlocked level 11, just head over to the Massimo, to the NPC Massimo, this one. And then next, just buy the recipes, the basic recipes, new basic recipes. You can buy 3 basic recipes on here. So just buy all this recipe. And then just tap on learn. Like this. And then after that, just go back home and cook each of those basic recipes at least once. Just cook all the basic recipe. For example, in here I want to cook the Milo black tea. Like this, you need the black tea, and then you need the tea leaf and then milk, and then after that just start cooking like this. Like this. And then after that just cook all the remains basic recipes. And then next you need to unlock the hidden recipes. You can just simply replace certain ingredients with similar one. For example in here on the Milo black tea basic recipe, for example like this, if a recipe uses milk or fruit, just try swapping it with different fruit or different or another ingredients that is available on here to discover new dishes. And if you're not sure with hidden recipes you are missing, just open your cooking collections. This one, just tap on collections and then just go to gourmet life. And then in here you will see the names of every recipes in there. You can see the names of every recipe, and those names can give you clues about which ingredient you should substitute. And okay, that's how you can unlock all 13 cooking recipes in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!